Hello and welcome to Frosty Bits. If you're watching this, you're at the very start of a journey into the world of technology and programming. Frosty Bits is more than just a channel, it's a learning hub for everyone, even without any prior experience or knowledge in programming or technology in general. As a software engineer specializing in cloud technologies, I've always been fascinated by the endless possibilities in the tech world, and this channel is my way of sharing my passion with you. We'll dive into programming languages like Python, SQL, discover the mysteries of IT jobs, and explore the vast universe of technologies together. While we embark on this educational journey, I also have a personal goal to improve my speaking, teaching, and presentation skills. Each video is not just a learning opportunity for you, but also a step forward for me. So expect lots of interactive and entertaining content, engaging tutorials, and real-world problem solving. And hey, your feedback is really valuable in shaping this journey, making sure we're learning and growing together. My plan for now is to publish tutorials on programming languages, starting with the essentials of Python and SQL. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, these tutorials will guide you step by step. Next, we'll explore different IT-related jobs, new insights into various roles, and what it takes to succeed in them. And for those of excitement, we'll dive into live coding sessions, facing off fun code challenges and showcasing code in public. Your participation makes Frosty Bits a vibrant community, and I encourage you to suggest topics, ask questions, and share your coding challenges. If you're as excited about this journey as I am, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Your likes, comments, and shares not only support the channel, but also help create a community of tech enthusiasts and learners. Thank you for watching this introduction to Frosty Bits. We're just getting started and there's so much more to come. Together we'll explore, learn, and grow in the world of technology. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and remember, every bit of knowledge counts.